What's good, y'all? It's your boy B, man. I'm back with another video. And as y'all can tell, the surroundings a little bit different, man. We in the house. This is a car-related video, but slightly different way we're going to record, man. So let me run the intro, and then we get to the rest of the video. Say hi, mama. Say hi, baby. No? Did she give him a smile?
No.
So it's family night right now, but I got something special that I just brought home. I got this box. This box right here is something special. It came all the way from New Zealand, and it got something in it that we about to open up. So shout out Josh Steele in the Facebook forum for the Acura Legends, man. He the one that actually had these bad boys for sale. Looks, I think he works at a junkyard out in someplace in New Zealand, and so he had posted these, and I got lucky. I just so happened to get on Facebook, I think like right when he had posted it. So I had first dibs pretty much at this at these lights. So I said, man, I gotta get it. There it is. Boy, look at the packaging on this. Shout out Josh. He packaged this so good to where even if you toss this around, there should be no way that these should break. So we about to grab these bad boys and we gonna boy. Oh man, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's the first light here, man. This is for the right side. One piece. Like I said, one piece headlight, man. All right, y'all, here we go. Number 2, coming at you. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, that look real good. Here we go. Number 2. I like these bad boys. Like I said, super clean. Definitely shout out to Josh Steele, man. I'll insert his Facebook profile right here. So those of y'all in the Legend Forum, if you don't know already, y'all can keep a lookout for him when he posts different stuff for sale, when he gets the the KA7s or even the KA8 in his junkyard. I'll definitely be keeping an eye out for his post because I will want one pieces for the coupe as well, man. So like I said, super happy with him. He ain't beating people over the head with price. So, like I said, I'm definitely happy with the purchase. But that's it, man. Like I said, we're going to end this video right here, man. Short, sweet, simple. We in the house. It's pouring down, raining outside. But, I try to bring content to y'all in any weather and any conditions, man. Y'all know what to do, man. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell if you haven't already. Keep up with the uploads. Keep a lookout for the video of these bad boys getting installed because I might be trying to push up to Sacramento this week, man. We gonna see. I'm gonna hit up James, see what he talking about, get his price, and we're gonna go from there. But like I said, man, I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.